Welcome back to our educational channel. In today's video, we'll discuss the need for teaching aids, the different kinds of aids available, and the factors that influence their selection. Let's dive in. Teaching aids play a vital role in making teaching more effective and enhancing the overall learning process. They add creativity and interest to classroom instruction, making it more engaging for students. By incorporating teaching aids, educators can make their lessons more interesting, capturing the attention and developing the interests of their students. These aids improve thinking power by providing visual and tangible representations that help students understand complex concepts more easily. Teaching aids act as a good substitute for direct experiences, especially when certain resources or situations are not readily available. They enhance scientific attitudes by providing hands-on experiences and practical demonstrations. Moreover, teaching aids create a better educational environment, fostering understanding and communication between teachers and students. They enable teachers to present information in a visual and interactive manner, catering to different learning styles and increasing comprehension. Now, let's explore the different kinds of teaching aids that educators can utilize in their classrooms. Visual aids, such as charts, photographs, diagrams, models, projectors, and maps, help students visualize concepts and make connections between ideas. Audio aids, including recordings, radios, gramophones, and MP3 systems, enhance the auditory learning experience, providing access to various audio resources. Audiovisual aids, such as films, TVs, projectors, computers, smart boards, and graphics aids, combine both visual and auditory elements to create a multisensory learning experience. 3D aids, such as models, specimens, real objects, apparatus like skeletons, and dioramas with touch sensations, offer a tangible and immersive learning experience. Projected aids, including slides, films, LED projectors, overhead projectors, and epidioscope, allow for large-scale visual presentations, making it easier to share information with a larger audience. Activity aids, such as excursions, projects, role plays, dramatic participation, and field trips, encourage active learning, hands-on exploration, and real-world application of knowledge. When selecting teaching aids, several factors come into play. The nature of the audience, subject matter, and the size of the audience are all important considerations. Additionally, the availability of aids, teaching objectives, and relative cost must be taken into account. By carefully considering these factors and incorporating appropriate teaching aids, educators can create dynamic and impactful learning experiences that cater to the needs and preferences of their students. We hope this video has highlighted the significance of teaching aids, the different kinds available, and the factors that influence their selection. If you found this information valuable, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more educational content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.